The researchers at the European Central Bank this week put out a paper saying that the impact of a trade war on the U.S. could be dire, that the U.S. economy could drop by 2% in the first year after a widespread trade war. Could you talk about the discussion you've had? Your policy statement doesn't mention the trade tensions. You did not mention them. What kind of outlook do you have right now for the trade war?
Sure. So I guess I need to start by saying that we're not responsible for trade policy, and we don't comment on particular, trade actions and that sort of thing. But you will have seen that we have this very extensive network of business contacts around the country through the Reserve Banks largely, and we've been hearing a rising chorus of concerns from businesses all over the country about disruption of supply chains, materials cost increases, and loss of markets and things like that. So we've been hearing quite a lot of that, and the Reserve Bank presidents talk about it in the meeting, and it goes in the minutes. So we're very transparent about hearing all that. I think if you look at the aggregate the performance of the U.S. economy at an aggregate at a national level, it's hard to see much happening at this point. Or you can look at it the other way. You can ask if all of the tariffs that have been announced are applied, what would be the effect at the aggregate level? And they're still relatively small. We worry about a couple of things. One is loss of business confidence, which could reduce investment. Again, we don't really see effects that we can measure yet. Also, the possibility of a financial market reaction over time to unexpected trade developments. More than anything, though, I would worry in the longer run where this is going. If the end place we get to is lower tariffs, that would be good. I think trade generally supports productivity, supports higher incomes, and fair trade under internationally accepted rules can be a good thing. I think if this perhaps inadvertently goes to a place where we have widespread tariffs that remain in place for a long time, a more protectionist world, that's going to be bad for the United States economy and for American workers and families and also for other economies.